Hey y'all, Susan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful Christmas card with the Adore Him stamp set by Sweet and Sassy Stamps. I used a rich, non-traditional Christmas color scheme for this one, and I think it creates a gorgeous card. Alright, let's get started. So I stamped this adorable Holy Family image from the Adore Him stamp set by Sweet and Sassy Stamps. I used the Faded Jeans Distress Oxide ink. And on top of the stamped image, I'm adding Clear Wink of Stella. I love how it gives it a really pretty shimmer to the simple image. So next I'm going to take the Kraft Cardstock that has been embossed with a wood embossing folder. And this is our card topper. And to that, I am going to add a piece of red cardstock, and I'm going to attach it with the double-sided tape. So I'm just going to mount that right there on the front of the card. And then I'm going to attach a piece of gold ribbon to the front of the card topper with a double-sided tape as well. And then I'm going to attach a piece of navy and white baker's twine above and below the gold ribbon to frame it and attach it with double-sided tape. And now I'm going to attach the card topper to the navy blue cardstock base with double-sided tape. Just like that. And so now I die cut a stitched flag out of the navy print from the Season's Greetings paper pack from the Paper Studio. And then I'm going to attach that flag to the front of the card using double-sided tape. So now I'm going to fussy cut out the Holy Family image with the scissors. I do this because this particular stamp set does not have a die that will cut it out, so I have to cut it out by hand. And now I'm going to take the sentiment and I'm going to trim it down to size using my paper trimmer. I do this because I get a straighter cut. The sentiment is from the Faith Wordfetti stamp set by Sweet and Sassy Stamps. And so next I'm going to attach some foam pop dots to the sentiment and the Holy Family image. The pop dots add dimension to the card so it doesn't look quite so flat. It makes it really pretty, gives it some good dimension. So now I'm going to just simply attach the sentiment and the Holy Family image to the front of the card. And finally, I'm going to add a stack layer of paper to the inside of the card. The stack layer consists of the red cardstock and the white cardstock. And I think that this gives the card a more finished look, and it gives the card a little bit more stability. I stamped the white cardstock with one of the sentiments from the Adore Him stamp set by Sweet and Sassy Stamps. I'm just going to attach that to the inside of the card. And I'm done, and I love how this card turned out, and I hope you do too. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. If you make a card with this video as an inspiration, I want to see it. Please share a link to your project in the comments below or tag me on social media at Grace Journaling. I look forward to seeing what y'all are doing. Full description and supplies can be found on my blog at www.gracejournaling.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.